Step 1. Position the left side panel hose onto the base plate bolts as demonstrated in the video. Then repeat the process for the right side. Step 2. Install washers onto all bolts and secure with nuts. Repeat this fastening sequence for all 4 corners. Step 3. Align the top plate according to video instructions. Insert its bolts into the corresponding side panel holes. Put on washers and tighten with nuts. Step 4. Remove original vehicle bolts. Position the safe lock box. Open the small plate. Insert washers into designated holes. And secure with bolts. Step 5. Reinstall all original vehicle components in their factory positions. How to change the password. Step 1. First set the combination dial to the initial code 000. Slowly rotate the lock clockwise while observing the side aperture until it aligns with the internal hole of the lock mechanism. Step 2. Extract the reset pin and insert it into the aperture. Apply firm finger pressure while observing whether the number wheel is pushed to the edge. Maintaining this pressure, rotate the dial to your desired new combination before releasing. The password modification is now complete.